To claim your free $1,000 funded account, head over to this website called xm.com. Next, click on the menu button at the top left corner of this website, scroll up, and click the Members Login button. You'll be redirected to the login page of XM website. If you have an account, then log into this website. But if you are new to this website, click on the Open Account button down below. Wait for some seconds to load up, and then put in your email address and password. And then tick the I agree to terms and conditions button below. And finally, click on the Register button to create a free account. A verification code will be sent to the email address you used for registration on this platform. Head over to your email account and search for a new message from XM and click on it. Wait some seconds to load up and click the green Verify Email button to get your email verified. Once your email address is verified successfully, go back to the website on your Chrome browser and refresh the page. Now, click the Login button once again to redirect you to your dashboard. Once you're on your dashboard, I want you to click on the 3 horizontal lines at the top left corner of your screen. Next step is to click the Competition button. And while it loads up, I want you to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Turn on the notification bell icon to keep you updated on my future videos. Here you will see all competitions that are in progress. You will also see the prize pool for the competition and the total number of people that have currently joined the competition. And note that for these particular competition, you need to complete certain requirements before joining the competition, such as verifying your KYC documents, creating a standard account, and depositing $100. Now stay tuned, because I will be revealing the competition you can join for free without any deposit. Under these requirements is the days, hours, and minutes the competition will end. But if you were not able to join this particular competition, when you look below it, there is an upcoming competition that will last for a week. As you can see, the next competition will be open in the next 19 hours from now. But the only thing we are interested in is how to get the free competition. To get the free competition, click on this demo button at the top of your screen. On this interface, you will find competitions you can join for free without any deposit, like this competition that is currently ongoing. Right below it is the prize pool for this competition. Each contestant will get a share from this $10,000 prize pool, as long as the contestant is among the listed positions that will be rewarded at the end of the competition. And as you can see right here, over 11,000 people have joined this ongoing competition. One cool thing about this free competition is that the only requirement you need to complete before joining the competition is to verify your KYC documents, which is very easy to do in less than 5 minutes. Finally, below it is the days, hours, minutes, and seconds for the competition to end. And don't worry, if you miss this competition, you can check out the upcoming competition below it. As you can see right here on my screen, the next competition will begin in 5 days, so do well to join this competition and win free money. Stay tuned, because I will be disclosing the cash prize for each position. To verify your KYC documents, click this icon and select the Members Area button. You will be redirected to your dashboard. And when you're on your dashboard, click on this Verify Now button at the center of your screen. You will be redirected to another page where you need to fill in some information about yourself. Go ahead and fill all of those information before clicking the Continue button below. Make sure to remove spaces when filling your details. If you don't remove spaces, it might affect you when you upload your documents. After clicking the Continue button, the next interface is where you are required to put in your address. And note that the system automatically detects your country of residence. So go ahead and fill all other details of your address. Make sure to fill out all the information of your address correctly, else your verification will be denied. After putting your address information, the next step is to click the Start Verification button below. and wait for some seconds to load up. On the next interface, I want you to tick the box below before clicking the Verify Me button. After clicking on the Verify Me button, you will be given 3 options to verify your identity, starting from passport verification, national ID card verification, and driver's license verification. But as for me, I will be using my national ID card to verify my identity. And if you also want to verify using national ID card, then click the National ID button. Next step is to grant Chrome access to your camera to enable you take a photo of your national identity card. But if you already have the photo of your identity card on your device, then you can simply upload it to this platform for verification. After successfully uploading the front side of your national identity card, click the Confirm button to submit it. Then, you will be instructed to upload the back side of the national identity card. Click the Upload button again and choose the backside photo of your national identity card. The next step is to click the Confirm button again to submit your identity card to XM for verification. After that, you will receive a message that you have successfully uploaded your documents. Click the Members Area button again to go to your dashboard. When you are redirected to your dashboard, after everything has been done successfully, you will see that the Verify Identity text is now pending. So I want you to wait a couple of minutes for the documents to be verified. After waiting for about 20 minutes, my documents got verified. And as you can see right here on my screen, my KYC status is now green. So I'm approved of my verification. And if yours is also like this, then I want you to click the demo tournament on your screen. Wait for some seconds so that the page can load up. After the page has successfully loaded up, scroll down a little until you find the Join Demo button. After clicking on the Join Demo button and it loads up successfully, you need to create an MT5 login password to secure your account, before ticking the box below it and finally clicking the Save button below. Go ahead and put in a 15 characters long password and make sure that you can remember the password, else you won't be able to log in to your MT5 account again. After creating and saving your unique password, you will get this pop-up notification that you have successfully joined the competition. And to be able to view your login credentials, the page has to automatically reload with your credentials so that you can start trading on the go. Once the page is reloaded successfully, before trading on this competition account, let's check out the cash prize for this weekly tournament and also the terms and conditions of this weekly tournament. As you can see right here on my screen, this competition is a very big one. The winners of this competition will be rewarded with huge amount of cash prizes that they can withdraw to their bank accounts. Starting from the first position down to position 50, these rewards are massive for just winning a trading competition. And as for me, I have joined the competition earlier today, but please do well to join the competition too and win free money. When you continue scrolling up, you will see the general rules of the tournament, which is also the terms and conditions of every tournament. Now, below it is the first rule, which states that the client can participate in a demo competition only once at a time, meaning that if a demo competition is in progress for however long that might be, participant can only partake once. The second terms and conditions states that the ranking is based on the performance of the account. The third terms and conditions states that a new demo account is created once you join. The MT5 account and hostname is provided. The user chooses the password for the MT5 account. The fourth terms and conditions states that all demo accounts get debited with a $1,000, which cannot be topped up, reset, or withdrawn. Accounts remain on read-only until the competition starts and get achieved shortly thereafter. The fifth terms and conditions states that the user has to download the MT5 application on PC or mobile and use the above credentials. These terms and conditions are very important that you abide by them so that you can continue trading for free and win cash prizes. Go ahead and check out other terms and conditions of these competition in their official website, xm.com. I don't want to take much of your time. Let's quickly dive into the process of how to log in to your MT5 account. Go back to the tournament page, scroll up, and you will see a box that contains your balance on your MT5 account. Anytime you place a trade with this balance, once the trade is closed, then the balance updates automatically. Above it is your login ID and other useful information. Click on it to reveal more information, such as your equity, platform, server host, account login, leverage, and account status. I want you to copy your server host and account login, as they are the only information you need in order for you to log into your MT5 app. Make sure you have installed the latest version of MT5 app from Google Play Store for the Android users or Apple Store for the iOS users before you log in these details. The next step is to head over to your MT5 app and click the plus icon at the top of your screen. After that, paste in the server host you copied from the website into the search box. Once the XM Global Limited Broker has been found, click on it. The next step is to paste in the login ID you copied from the website. Now type in the password you saved in the website and you're good to go. Once done, click the login button below it and give it some seconds to get your account details. As you can see right here on my screen, I now have a balance of $1,000 that I can use to trade in the competition. And on the trade section, my equity, free margin, and balance are all set to $1,000. Now, let me add one of my favorite pair, which is the 𝗙𝗓𝗍/USD, and place my first trade right here to show you that you can actually open trades with this $1,000 funded account. First of all, I'll reduce the lot size to 0.01 before placing the trade. I placed a sell because I'll be scalping on this trade. The market is currently on a pullback level, and once I get a little profit from it, I'll close the trade. Thanks for watching this video. I hope you find this information helpful. If you love the information I shared with you, then like this video and subscribe to this channel. Turn on the notification bell icon to keep you updated when I upload new informative videos like this one. And with all that said, guys, see you on my next upload.